Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, right? Your topic is describe a thing you bought and you are happy about it. Anything, it can be a dress, it can be any home appliance, it can be any gadget, whatever. So try to keep it simple. Explain why you bought it. Why you bought it means reason. Then why you selected this product, reason for buying this very product. And from where you purchased it, shop, location and all that. And explain why you are so happy. Last point is in present, other 3 points are in the past tense. So be careful about it. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, I have I have bought many things in my life, and I still remember a watch that I purchased from Draz app, and it's an app that we are using in Pakistan in 2 days. And when I saw it on Draz app, I feel really happy because I saw this watch on my cousin wrist, and when I asked him, he told me that he purchased this in 3,000 rupees. And when I saw it on the Draz app, I immediately ordered it. Some people gives review on the Draz app very badly, but I ordered it because I think that it is my luck. But immediately I got it in good because when I see this, it's look dazzling, and it's really attract me a lot.
That's it.
Yeah.
Now see that the first thing is you spoke for precisely 1 minute. So you should try to speak for 1.5 minutes. Try to elaborate the points further, the first thing. Second thing is I found grammatical mistakes, and the grammatical mistakes are like in the past tense you are using present.
No.
Like you said, I feel, I saw, right? When I saw this product, I feel. It should have been I felt when I saw. Then you said 2 days. 2 days is not the right word. You should have said nowadays. These days, the Raz app is very popular and all that. Then you said I order it. It should have been I ordered it. And then you said people give review. Gave review about the product. Then you said I see it. It should have been I saw. So these type of mistakes, the first thing. Second, connect your ideas and use a variety of words to express yourself, right? And try to speak more. That will help you. Now we go on to speaking part 3. My first question is, did you tell anyone after buying this product?
Sir, sorry, इसका तो मुझे पता ही नहीं.
Did you tell anyone after buying this product? Like, say, yes, I told my mom after buying this product, and she was also very happy to something like that. Come on. Did you tell anyone after? Don't look at this. Just mind your own business. In actual exam also, don't look at what examiner is doing. What examiner is writing. Examiner is not writing a love letter and say, I read Janu there. Okay? So don't worry about it. Mind your own business. Even if examiner starts writing, don't get worried what is she writing and what is he writing. Just mind your own business. Okay? Now please answer. Did you tell anyone after buying this product?
Yeah, I tell about my mom.
I told my mom. Did you tell means past tense. I told my mom.
She was very happy, and she also give me suggestion. Yeah, you could bought 2 or 3 watch more.
All right, बहुत झूठ बोल दी. All right, let's go on. What are your thoughts about the trend that people buy new things instead of repairing the old ones? Yeah, I don't like this trend because nowadays I've noticed one thing: whenever anything goes out of order, people just throw it and they buy new one. In fact, I think people should try to get the old things repaired instead of like that.
So sorry,
No, don't tell me anything. Like, I have a question and you have to answer that question. Now don't tell me this question, that question and all that, right? In a village, once there was one wise man, only one educated person who could read the letter, right? All the village was full of illiterate people and there was only one person who could read the letter. One day a letter came from another place and everybody took the letter to that person and they said, please read this letter and tell us what is it about. He said, I only can read one letter which is in my house. Otherwise, I cannot read any letter. वो जड़ा कार पे है वही खत पढ़ लेना बाकी नहीं. So you should answer any question they ask you. Okay? Don't worry. Just it's the first time, so it is going to be fine. Thank you. So the way you performed, actually in part 3 you did not perform well, and in part 2 also grammatical mistakes. The way you are at present, you are at band score 4.5 level, but let me tell you, you got this low band because of your confusion and your nervousness. Be confident and answer every question, right? Okay, thank you.